Welcome back. In this video, we are going to configure the License Manager so that our users can connect and work in SXC Business Suite. For this to work, we will have to manage three things. First, we will have to generate and import the licenses for the required number of users for each of the modules. Second, we will have to manage the servers where the databases are located. And third, we will have to manage the databases located on each of the servers. We will also see how to create new databases from scratch. So let us get started and go to the server or computer where we have installed the Sunwheel services and start the Sunwheel License Manager. You will see this message when you are starting this for the first time, and it is not yet configured. Before we can start the configuration, we will have to supply some basic information to this License Manager. There are two things: the customer ID and the license server name or IP address of this computer. This name or IP shall be used by the clients to connect to this license server and get permissions to log in. Let us check the name of this computer and enter it over here in the license server name. We get our customer ID from the website, sunwheelsolutions.com, after we register and log in. Let us see how this works. We will go to sunwheelsolutions.com and go to the login and registration page. Here, in the registration section, we will enter our email address and password. You can also select these different options that are available, if you are interested. You should also review the terms and conditions, and then proceed with the registration. You will get the confirmation of registration, but you will have to verify your email address before you can log in. You can do that by clicking on the verification link you get in your email. Once you have verified your email address, you can log in and go to the Sunwheel dashboard. Click on the Generate My Licenses button, and you will be able to view your customer ID on the top. Copy your customer ID and paste it in the License Manager. Then, click on the Update button and wait for a few seconds for it to connect to the service of the License Manager. There is a Windows service that gets installed when you install the License Manager that actually manages the licenses behind the scene. Once the connection is made, you will see the status color change to green on the top. You will also see there is a system key generated for you and displayed on the top, along with the green status icon. You will need this system key to generate your licenses for this license server. If you go to the Licenses tab and click on Refresh Licenses, you will see that there are no licenses at the moment. So let us go to the Sunwheel Solutions website, on the page we had opened, by clicking Generate My Licenses. Here we select SXC Business Suite in the products list, and then choose the module for which we want the licenses. We are going to use the trial licenses for now. You can also specify the number of licenses you need for this module, based on the number of users who need to connect and work concurrently or simultaneously at any point of time. Paste your system key that you have copied from the License Manager, and then click on the Generate and Download button. You should make sure that you paste the full system key properly, otherwise you might have trouble importing these licenses later on. This will generate and download your license file for this module. You can choose a different module, and click again to get more licenses for different modules. Before you import these licenses for the first time, you need to create a folder on C drive, named Sunwheel Licenses Imported, as shown in this video. Once you do that, you can go back to the License Manager and click Import Licenses. Specify the location where you have downloaded the license files, and it should show you the license details on your screen. Now let us go to the Servers tab, and this is where we will specify the database servers that we have, which have different company databases. We need to specify the server name or the IP address of the database server and the username and password required to connect to that server. This is the SQL Server username and password that we had set in the SQL Server during installation or later. Click Add to register your server in the list of servers in the License Manager. Now we will go to the Databases tab to create and register our company databases. We will first click Refresh, or select the application and the server, and see that currently there are no databases listed. We will click on the Create New Database button. Here you have to specify the name of the database you want to create. Just make sure do not use any dots in the database name. Click on the button Create Database, and it will ask you the location of a file. We have to give it the file named nd.dat. This file has the database generation script. You have to go to the location where you have installed the Sunwheel services. So you should go to the Program Files x86 folder, then go to Sunwheel License Service folder, and then in the Sunwheel License Manager folder, you will find this file. Choose the file nd.dat, click Open, and it will start creating a new database for you. Once the database has been created, we need to register it in the License Manager. So we go back and enter the database name in the space provided, and click the Add button. This will register your database in the selected server. Congratulations! You have successfully configured the License Manager for your users of SXC Business Suite.